Hey there, health lovers. Welcome to The Scoop, where we serve you straight nutrition talk, one scoop at a time. I'm Rachel. I'm a dietitian. I'm a wife. I'm a mom of 2 busy boys, and I am a big fan of making small, healthy changes that can lead to big results. So grab your coffee, your water bottle, or even your afternoon snack and settle in. We're about to dive into today's scoop. And trust me, these simple tips are going to make healthy living feel a whole lot easier. Let's get started. Any and all opinions and views shared by hosts and guests on this podcast are the speaker's own and do not represent the views of Live It Up or its affiliates or parent company. Hey guys, welcome back to The Scoop, serving you straight nutrition talk, one scoop at a time. I'm Rachel, I'm a dietitian and nutrition expert, and today we're going to dive even deeper into antioxidants. Now, I did discuss antioxidants before, so if you haven't checked that out yet, definitely recommend going back to it. I have a really fun demonstration using an apple. I won't say any more than that. You'll just have to go see for yourself. But today I'm actually going to tackle antioxidants on a different level. Not just why they play an essential role in our health, but also what they're used for in our food systems and how to make sure you're getting the right ones. Let's back up a little and rediscover what antioxidants are and why they're important. So antioxidants are molecules, mostly found in plants, that help protect us from damaging free radicals. Now, antioxidants can be common vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, which, nutrition tidbit, is the pigment found in orange and yellow fruits and vegetables and is what our body converts to vitamin A. Some minerals are also considered antioxidants, such as selenium and magnesium. The body can also produce antioxidants of its own, including glutathione and alpha lipoic acid, which I think is pretty darn cool. Our bodies are amazing. So antioxidants are also phytocompounds. Phytocompounds are compounds that plants make, things like flavonoids, polyphenols, and coenzyme Q10. Yes, that comes from plants. And actually, you can find coenzyme Q10 in oily fish too. So anyway, all of these work to help stop free radicals. Now, what are free radicals? These are unstable oxygen molecules in the body, and they're very reactive. They want to steal electrons from anything they come in contact with, which is what causes the damage. Now, most free radicals in the body are formed in our mitochondria, which, if you go back to 6th grade science, is our powerhouse of our cell. And they're formed kind of as a byproduct of the body converting food to energy. There are also certain environmental factors that can also create free radicals in our body, things like inhaling cigarette smoke or air pollution, consuming alcohol, excessive exposure to the sun, high-intensity exercise, or even if you're taking in too much iron, magnesium, or zinc. Not all free radicals are bad. In fact, we need some to help with signaling within our cells, and to some extent, they also help with our immune response. And our body actually has methods to help reduce the extra free radicals naturally. The problem is that if we produce too many, or if we are exposed to too many from the environment, then the body can't keep up. So the excess go on to damage anything in their path, which may include our DNA, our cell membranes. And when your cell membrane is damaged, that can change the flow of what enters and exits the cell and ultimately lead to chronic levels of internal inflammation. Over time, this damage may lead to different chronic diseases. How exactly do antioxidants help? They very generously donate an electron to these free radicals, making the free radicals stable and unreactive again. And in this way, antioxidants can help reduce damage in the body and help you clear the path to a healthier future. Now, a lot of people think that all antioxidants work in the same way in the body, but this is categorically wrong. Each antioxidant has a different chemical structure, which means it helps in different areas of the body and has different biological properties. And some work together synergistically. This is why I tell everyone and I'm going to say it over and over again, that variety is the spice of life, and you have to have a wide variety of plants and foods in your diet to get all the nutrients and all the antioxidants for all the places in your body that need functional support and protection. Okay, let's switch gears a little bit. Where else can we find antioxidants? And are all antioxidants healthy for us? I'm going to give you 2 instances when some antioxidants are good and some are not. So first, in our food systems. So when you see vitamin E, which you might also see as tocopherols, or vitamin C, which is also called ascorbic acid, in the ingredient list of the packaged food that you eat, they are added for the same reason we need them in our body, to protect the food from damage. So they help to extend shelf life and even help preserve some of the nutrients in the food. When antioxidants are naturally derived from whole foods, these are usually safe. But the problem is that our food industry really likes things easier and cheaper, which means instead of using these naturally occurring antioxidants, they developed synthetic antioxidants. And these function in the same way as food, but the problem is research is finding that these synthetic antioxidants may not be the best for us and may actually cause some poor health outcomes. So how can you tell if your food has a synthetic antioxidants? I'm going to give you some common ones to be aware of and to watch out for in your food. So the first is BHT. There's also BHA, and there's also TBHQ. So when you're looking at your foods, I want you to think about what is in there that is fine. Tocopherols, fine. Ascorbic acid, you're doing great. But if you start to see these other ones like BHA that you're not really sure what they are, you might want to find an alternate of that food, one that doesn't contain that particular antioxidant. So the second place some antioxidants are good and some are not are supplements. Some antioxidant supplements may be beneficial. For example, taking a little bit more vitamin C when you're coming down with a cold has been shown to be helpful. However, in many cases, taking isolated antioxidant supplements is not beneficial. This actually has a name. It's called the antioxidant paradox, which means rather than preventing damage by free radicals, an isolated antioxidant may actually cause it. So it turns out that isolated antioxidants don't work the same way in the body as when they come from foods. And this is because, well, the theory is that they work synergistically with other compounds in whole foods. And for that reason, it's best to get most of your antioxidants from your diet by eating lots and lots of plants of all different colors. It's a lot of information, so let's summarize. Too many free radicals can cause damage. Eating a wide variety of plants can help give us antioxidants we need to help prevent this damage. You want to be aware of which antioxidants are used in the packaged foods you eat, and you want to get most of your antioxidants from whole foods rather than supplements. Let's make it a microhabit. Considering that to get the most out of a plant's antioxidants power, we have to eat more plants in all different colors and all different types. What steps do you need to take to get more? Look at where your diet is right now and think about where you want it to be. Do you need to add in a bigger variety of plants? Interesting fact. So there is some research out there showing us that getting 30 different plants a week is the ultimate goal for health. Now, we're talking everything from vegetables to fruits and nuts and seeds and grains, and you can even count herbs and spices. All of them come from plants. All of them have antioxidants. Do I get 30 plants a week? It's really hard, and that is a reach, and it's a huge reach. But I want you to think about it in these terms because that actually might be more helpful. How many plants per week are you getting now? Can you up that by 3 for next week? Will you try to add a different color? Now, think about how you're going to prepare and plan and execute these micro goals. Write down exactly what you want your micro goal to be. Make your meal plan with these new foods included in it. Add foods to your grocery list. Remember, only you can control your healthy destiny. You can make the choice to change, or you can make the choice to stagnate where you are. Make the choice to change one small step at a time.